Hi there! You're going to learn how to create a terrific T-chart. At first, you will be making your T-charts to develop your skill, but in time, you will begin to make mental T-charts instead. There are some important accounting tips that you must understand when making a T-chart. Let's review. The words debit and credit do not mean an increase or a decrease in accounting. These words indicate the left side or the right side of an account. The left side of any column in a T-chart is always the debit side, and the right side of a T-chart is always the credit side. Your debit should always equal your credit. Anytime you increase one account's T-chart, you will always decrease another account's T-chart. Once you have those basics under control, the next thing that you will need to understand is normal balances. On a T-chart, every account has a side that carries a normal balance, but the normal side will vary by classification. The normal balance for any account is on the side where the account is increased. An asset account should increase on the debit side and decrease on the credit side. That means that you have more claim on your assets, which is a good thing, and the normal balance is on the debit side. A liability account increases on the credit side and decreases on the debit side. This indicates that you owe money. The normal balance on a liabilities account is carried on the right side or the credit side. The owner's equity account also increases on the credit side and decreases on the debit side. The normal balance is on the credit side, but in this case, it means that the owner owns more of the company's assets, which is a good thing. You want your assets to increase, your liabilities to decrease, and your owner's equity to increase too. While we were learning about T-charts, we used the word increase and decrease to indicate which side of the account increased or decreased. That does not mean the same thing as debit or credit. An increase or a decrease tells us where an increase or decrease occurred. In the real world, you would see an increasing or decreasing number on the T-chart instead.